In this guide, you will learn how to use community moderation settings in YouTube Studio. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube and navigate to the YouTube Studio. Go to Settings in the left menu and select Community Moderation. Here you will find two main categories, Content Controls and User Management. Content controls allow you to manage contents, live chats, and posts on your channel. You can set default rules for handling comments, filter messages in live chat, and even message a list of blocked words. Any comment or post containing words or phrases on your blocked list will be automatically held for review. You can also turn on the option to hold comments and post that content links for review. In the user management section, you can manage who interacts with your channel. This includes adding or removing moderators, managing approved and hidden users, and setting which users can be redirected to your live streams. Approved users have their comments automatically published, while hidden users have their comments blocked. Additionally, you can set channel guidelines, including a welcome message and behavioral expectations for your community. By using these community moderation tools, you will have complete control over maintaining a safer, more welcoming environment on a channel. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.